So why would you want to put your car into maintenance mode? You may want to put it into maintenance mode, for example, if you have to perform an emissions test. The reason that I'm doing it today is because I want to perform an engine flush, and the engine has to be running for 20 minutes continuously before I drop the oil. So this is why I'm going to put it into maintenance mode today. So to do that, the first thing you need to do, push the power button twice. Then you need to press the accelerator all the way to the floor twice. Foot on the brake. Put the shifter into neutral and hold until you hear a knock. Hit the accelerator twice. Put your foot back on the brake into park. Hit the accelerator twice. And now it's into maintenance mode. Put your foot back on the brake. Press the power on. And you can tell it's in maintenance mode. It tells you it's in maintenance mode, but also it disables the traction control system as well. To then cancel the maintenance mode, you simply press the power mode. And then the next time you start it up, it'll just be in normal mode once again, with the traction control restored. So the engine's not running now because there's enough juice in the battery. Oh, there it goes. So when you're putting it into neutral, you do have to hold the gear stick until you feel or hear a clunk. That was it there. And on the dashboard there is a neutral sign to tell you you're in neutral.